In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Monday.com for human resource management. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to Monday.com and log into your account or create an account if you don't have one. So if you just recently created an account, so this will be the sample template for your workspace if you haven't selected the any template yet. So to use this board or this workspace for human resource management, you'll see a table that looks like this. So as you can see right here, you can it says here task, owner, status, due date. So you can simply click on this one to change the label. So, of course, when you're handling human resource management, you're talking about your employees. So we can add here employee one, right here, employee two, or simply the names of your employee. You can also change the columns right here. So it still depends on you on how you want your table to look like or what you want to work on with your human resource management. But I suggest you use templates that are already created by Monday.com. So to do that, simply click here on the three dots icon right here beside the main workspace and click on Add New Workspace. So let's say Human Resource Management, so HRM, click on Add Workspace. Now from here, you will see that this workspace is empty. So what you want to do is click on Add from Templates, and you'll see a bunch of different templates right here. And right here in the left-hand side, you will see HR. So let's click on HR, and there's a bunch of different templates for human resource right here, such as this, employee life cycle packages, cross-company event planning, employee well-being survey, time off request. So again, it still depends on you on what you want to do with your management. So let's say I want to create a table or a board for the recruitment process. So I'm going to choose this template, this recruitment process template. Now just click on use template and wait for monday.com to generate your workspace. And as you can see right here, so we have here first is the open positions and the recruitment process. So first, here in open positions, you can change this. As you can see, the template has recruiter and product manager positions. So let's say you want to add another position. So let's say HR staff, like that. Now you can add the description right here for this position. And you can also add the hiring manager, the name of the hiring manager right here. You can also add the hiring manager email right here. What department? So as you can see, it's automatically assigned right here. So you can just simply choose. So let's say the recruiter is, of course, in the HR department. Urgency, you can set it to urgent, medium, or low. Let's say urgent. Again, you can assign the HR manager right here from this workspace. So if you click here, you can simply add the member or just even add yourself. As you can see, my profile photo will now be assigned to this particular uh, position. So if you want to add a team member, just click on add and choose the team member from your workspace. Also here in status, uh, either choose new, published, in progress, stuck, or closed. Also the link to the recruiting process. Or here in working on it, you can see again, this is also a position, online marketing, again, description, hiring manager, so on, and the close table. Now let's move on to the recruitment process. As you can see right here, if there are new applicants, you can just simply add them here. You can either uh, change the label right here to applicant one or two, or simply the name of the specific applicant. You can also add the recruiter right here. So if one of your team member is the one who recruited them, just simply select them. Or if you yourself recruited this applicant, just choose yourself, just like that. Now you can choose the position right here. So let's say this applicant is uh, applying for an IT position. That also choose the source, website referral or LinkedIn. So let's say LinkedIn. If the applicant has already submitted a resume, so we can say working on it. If you haven't reviewed the resume, you can choose working on it. So if the applicant is no go, we can simply select no go right there. Phone interview. So it still depends on you guys. So again, let's just go back. It still depends on your team. So this template, if you choose no go, it will automatically delete the applicant from this table. Say go, it means that they have passed. So it still depends on you on how you want to edit your tables right here in monday.com. But basically this template is, or templates from monday.com will make it a bit easier for you. But if you want to start from scratch, again, say I'm going to use this test. If you want to start from scratch, you can simply edit all of these tables yourself. But for me, I personally use the uh, templates because it's much easier. Also, right here on the right side, you'll see the progress. So let's say here, hired. So this is source, resume is a go, phone interview is a go, in-person interview is a go, references, offer sent, and contract is already signed. So as you can see, the progress will now be 100%. So right here in the in progress table, so this is still not, let's say, click here on go. You'll see that the progress ramps up to 34%. Here on in-person interview, let's say it's a go. Again, it ramps up to 51%. So basically, this template is really good or really suited for recruitment processes. So if your HR team or your management, you're managing a recruitment process in your human resource management, this is basically the template for you. But again, it still depends on you. So if you're handling human resource management but not recruitment process, you can simply select from those tables or templates earlier. Or again, if you want, you can start from scratch. So that's basically it. So that is how you can use monday.com for human resource management. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.